Did you know that according to the CDC, hundreds of thousands of individuals age 15 and up are injured in bathroom safety incidents every year? It seems the smallest room in our homes might be the most dangerous places, but it doesn't have to be that way. Rebath is sponsoring this segment, and this morning, Katie Dennis is back with us to discuss making your bathroom safer no matter your age or ability. That's just disheartening to me because I think little kids, they have no concept of danger, but you're like just 15 and up are having trouble. Why can a bathroom be such a dangerous place?
Right, yeah, it can be really hazardous for people of all ages and abilities. And the main reason the incidents that really happen are slipping and falling, also tripping when getting in and out of the tub, also falling around the toilet. So it makes sense for us to make this spot a safer place. We spend about an hour there every day.
Right, but we're there every day. We have to be there. There is water making things slippery. So what can we do? Let me help us out. What's your first suggestion?
For folks who are having trouble getting in and out of the tub, absolutely the first priority you want to take care of is replacing that tub with something safer. So what we're talking about is a tub to shower conversion or a walk-in tub. Those are both great options. The walk-in tub gives you the safety of the shower, but it still allows you to bathe, which has some therapeutic benefits for mobility. And also people who would really benefit from that, it can definitely help them with their therapeutic use. Now, it's not a great option for everyone because if you have a smaller bathroom or if you have some other family needs, you might not actually need it. But there is another option, and that would be the walk-in shower with the low threshold base.
Okay, is that really popular?
It is very popular. Not only is it a really nice upgrade to your bathroom, but it just looks really nice.
It is nice. What other changes can we be making?
The smaller changes that you can make that have a really great benefit would be installing grab bars in the shower, around the toilet. You can also add a bench seat. In other areas of the bathroom, you can mess with the vanity and the toilet heights. You can also install some flooring that is less slippery, so like a luxury vinyl tile. And so those are some really minor tweaks that make a big difference.
That's so true, and also doesn't totally affect like the resale value of the home, not something that would discourage somebody else. What's something we can do today?
Yes, so you can come visit us at our showroom. You can also give us a call. You can visit our website as well and fill out the form there. The first thing you want to do is to schedule a time with us to come out to your home where we'll bring our samples. We'll also do an inspection of the bathroom, and our design consultants will walk you through a proven process. They're also able to design your bathroom to make it more accessible, so they have that training as well.
Talk about your showroom also, because that's like a beautiful place. Excuse me, I don't know what's going on. A beautiful place to visit, to see all the options also.
Yes, so we have displays there. You can visit them in person. You can see exactly how the material should be installed in your home and see it in person.
Very good. You have a special offer also.
We do. So we're offering $1,000 off your entire project at this time. We're also able to provide some financing for folks who want to pay for this over time.
Very good. And I'm sure you're getting a lot of calls now because we're spending so much more time in our homes the last 2 years, and we realize what we would like to change to really make it that perfect place for us.
That's right.
Thank you, Katie. Good to have you with us.